Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's November 5th, 2025, out here in the shop. Yesterday, I started to record some stuff. I went out to Thea and I went out to the shipping containers and got some of the things that we needed out of the shipping containers and all. And I came back here and started setting things up, getting organized to start installing one of the overhead doors. So I got everything all set out here, and all of a sudden the wind started picking up. I mean, they were coming through here pretty significantly. Plywood was blowing around, and so I said, well, I'm not going to install the overhead doors today. Then I went out back to where all the scrap metal is. So that includes all of the overhead doors, all the metal stuff that got destroyed, the cabinets, a whole bunch of stuff, a large pile out there. And so what I wanted to do was go out there and salvage whatever perforated angle iron I could. So here's some of the perforated angle iron that got bent out, but there's sections of it that could be used and some of it that could be straightened out. I have more metal over here that's in better shape, but I thought I'd go out there and do this. Then I don't know, shear force winds came through. All the leaves were just, it was like a whiteout, but with leaves. And I was in the middle of the pile with all the scrap all around me, pulling out some of those were all still attached to the overhead door sections and all in the track work and all. And I was pulling some of that out when that wind, that I'm going to call it shear force winds, just shot right across there. And I heard the first tree go down, probably about 75 feet from me. And it's a good sized tree, a good 60-footer. That one went down, and then two more trees went down right after that, and it just startled the heck out of me. And I was trying to get out of the pile before something else came down, and I twisted my back. Not a bad sciatica thing, but just lower back pain. So I decided yesterday to heck with it. You know, we've been expecting rain. We got some rain the day before yesterday, but we got 0.06 of an inch. So I don't know if my most recent patchwork sealed the roof. Hopefully it did do. We're supposed to get rain today and even higher winds today. Now I don't know, that was kind of a bizarre, really bizarre that the wind, it was like, I don't know, like a whiteout blizzard blasting right across in that one area back over there. And so I'll probably take a walk over there and look at things. But I thought I'd make this quick intro video, which isn't going to have anything else following it today because I'm going to take the day off. My back is very sore. I've got a headache. I feel like crap. I just want to get things done here, and things are just frustrating with the weather. So I'm not going to try and put these doors up when they have these high winds. It's just too dangerous. So we'll have some high winds today. Hopefully I'll be able to get back at it tomorrow. We're supposed to have some rain. I think we're supposed to get a really significant rain the day before yesterday, and Thea was in Syracuse for a while and said, oh, it's raining really well here. How's it doing at home? I said, well, it's not raining here at all. And we only got 0.06 of an inch over a 24-hour period. So I really need to see the rain to make sure that roof is set. And so I think I'll end this video here today, folks. Just want to let you know everything's okay. We'll get through this bit by bit. Just frustrating. Those of you who watch this know how frustrating it can be when these little challenges happen, but it could be much worse. So we'll thank our lucky stars. And I hope everybody stays safe. Take good care of yourselves. And hopefully we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now. Well, I am feeling a little bit better, and my thought is, if I can make myself feel a little bit better by doing a little bit of exercise, that may help out some. And the winds haven't started kicking up yet, so I figure I got an hour before the winds kick up. So I came out with Doge a few minutes ago and chainsaw, and I cut up a few of the logs. A couple of the trees that were in the roadway, and I decided, let's get the green machine. I'll go slow and steady with the green machine and move some of these down into the horticulture pit. So that's my my goals and aspirations at this moment. We'll see how everything works out here this morning. Try to do is just reach over, grab some of the, my feet are too big for these pedals. So my only fault with this machine is pedal closeness for my big feet. They're pretty easy. It's just
road feels long, the nights grow cold. Dreams you've chased start to unfold, but not the way you thought they would. It's hard to see the greater good. You've fallen down, you've lost your place. The tears are running down your face. But don't let the darkness steal your light. Hold on, you're stronger than the fight. Don't give up when things don't go your way. Yes, it hurts, but it won't stay. The storm will pass, the skies will clear. Every heartache fades with time, my dear. Remember, everybody hurts sometimes. You're not alone, we've all been there, lost in the shadows of despair. But every scar you wear with pride is proof of battles you survived. So take a breath, stand tall again. The pain will pass like summer rain. It's in the struggle that you'll find a strength you never knew was inside. Don't give up when things don't go your way. Yes, it hurts, but it won't stay. The storm will pass, the skies will clear. Every heartache fades with time, my dear. Remember, everybody hurts sometimes. The mountain's high, the valley's deep. You'll find your way, just take the leap. Each fall will teach, each tear will mend. This isn't the end, it's where you begin. Don't give up when things don't go your way. Yes, it hurts, but it won't stay. The storm will pass, the skies will clear. Every heartache fades with time, my dear. Remember, everybody hurts sometimes. So lift your head and face the day. The sun will find you on your way. Through every heartache, every climb, remember, everybody hurts sometimes.